In the demanding world of medicine, every second counts. Doctors face long hours, high-stress situations, and the immense responsibility of patient care. This constant pressure requires peak physical and mental performance. Many physicians apply an evidence-based approach to their own health, starting with what they put on their plates. Food is not just fuel. It is the building block for sustained energy, cognitive clarity, and long-term wellness. A doctor-approved plan is simple, practical, and backed by proven benefits. The blueprint: quick to assemble, easy to transport, and packed with nutrients for 12-hour shifts. Think lean proteins, complex carbs, healthy fats, and a rainbow of produce to stabilize blood sugar and prevent crashes. It is a diet of intention, not deprivation. Practical principles anyone can use to stay sharp, energized, and healthy. The first meal sets the metabolic and cognitive tone for the hours that follow. Many doctors avoid sugary cereals and pastries that spike and then crash energy. Instead, they opt for a balance of protein, fiber-rich whole grains, and healthy fats. This trio delivers slow, steady energy for a focused morning of rounds and consults. A typical doctor-approved breakfast: oatmeal, an ideal canvas. Start with half a cup of rolled oats. Add about 15 grams of walnuts or almonds for omega-3s and protein. Top with banana or a cup of mixed berries for fiber and antioxidants. Prepare with water, low-fat milk, or a plant milk to add protein, calcium, and vitamin D. This combo helps keep blood sugar stable, preventing brain fog and hunger pangs. Research shows oatmeal increases satiety versus ready-to-eat cereal, controlling appetite for hours. Extra busy? Make overnight oats. Half cup oats, half cup milk, a tablespoon of chia, plus fruit. Shake, refrigerate, and grab and go. Several hours after breakfast, energy dips. A strategic snack prevents vending machine temptation and sustains focus. Plain Greek yogurt with a few berries offers protein, fiber, vitamins, and natural sweetness. Or a small handful of nuts, healthy fats, protein, fiber, linked to heart health and weight management. Portable, no refrigeration, always within reach. For night shifts, choose light, protein-rich options like a hard-boiled egg or small protein shake. The right snack supports wakefulness and top-tier patient care. Lunch is brief, often just 15 to 20 minutes to refuel. Portability and balance are paramount to avoid post-lunch sleepiness. Template: lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and plenty of vegetables. Load greens and colorful veg, dress simply with olive oil and lemon. Whole grains steady blood sugar better than refined breads. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables can lower risk of chronic disease. The afternoon dip hits hard between 2 and 4 p.m. Antidote: protein, healthy fat, and fiber to stabilize blood sugar. 2 tablespoons of hummus with crunchy vegetables provides hydration, vitamins, and a satisfying crunch. Or a small cheese portion with whole grain crackers for slow, steady energy. Prioritize hydration. If needed, choose green tea, L-theanine plus modest caffeine for calm focus. Mindful snacking and fluids keep performance high until the shift ends. After a taxing day, dinner should replenish and relax. Focus on quality protein, a large portion of non-starchy vegetables, and a small serving of complex carbs or healthy fat. Classic: baked or grilled salmon, high-quality protein and omega-3s, DHA, and EPA that support brain and heart health. Higher fish intake is associated with lower heart disease risk. Prefer plants? Marinated, baked tofu is an excellent alternative. Pile on vegetables, low-calorie, high-fiber, vitamins, and minerals to aid recovery and digestion. Add a modest complex carb to support serotonin and melatonin production for better sleep. Quick method: sheet pan salmon with broccoli, roast 15 to 20 minutes. Efficient, restorative, minimal cleanup. Satisfying but light. Repair, restore, and unwind. Adopting a healthier pattern does not require an overhaul. Prioritize whole, minimally processed foods and simple, sustainable strategies. Take 1 hour weekly to plan meals and prep key ingredients. Cook grains, grill protein, roast vegetables, wash and chop greens, and store components separately. Then assemble meals in minutes and avoid last-minute takeout. Carry a water bottle and refill often. Infuse with lemon, cucumber, or berries. Skip sugary drinks. Start with one change. Swap in oatmeal or pack lunch 3 days a week. Small steps compound. Follow these doctor-backed habits to invest in a healthier, more energized future.